Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing something fun from a song. In this video, it's all about music and creativity. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Lights go flash, the music's loud. Roller disco, check the crowd. Peppa Pig put skates on tight. Tonight is dance all night. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Peppa wobble, stay on track. George cheers, go Peppa go. Round and round the skaters flow. Draw, draw, draw the floor. Color music, hear it roar. Draw the dance, color the beat. Roller disco moves your feet. Susie sheep spins with a smile. Danny dog rolls disco style. Lights go pink, lights go blue. Everyone's dancing, me and you. Peppa laughs, this is the best. Skating fun beats every test. Draw, draw, draw the spin. Color joy, let the fun begin. Draw the groove, color the cheer. Giant dance party's here. Peppa zooms a little fast. Whoa, she says, down she's passed. Peppa Pig skates over quick. Up you go, try this trick. Peppa nods and stands up tall. Falling's fine, I won't stall. Skate left, skate right. Draw the rhythm, color the night. Peppa glides smooth, slow and neat. Rolling gently to the beat. Spin, spin, what a sight. Peppa skating just right. Mama claps, George jumps high. Peppa's flying, reaching sky. Draw, draw, draw the flow. Color confidence, let it grow. Draw the roll, color the fun. Dance together
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew a song moment and had fun mixing art and music. If you love music and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you soon, friends! Bye!